welcome back to Hi Now Daily. Island Pacific Academy is hosting their open house this weekend, and they're also doing a craft fair at the same time. And joining me today is Catherine Jones, Dr. Devin Widmer, and in the middle here we have Quinn, who is a student there at Island Pacific Academy. Thank you for being here with me today, you guys.
Thank you so much.
Going?
So great. We're so happy to be here to share about our school. We're the largest school private school on the west side, K to 12, and we have about 500 students. And like you said, we're going to be having an open house starting from 9 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're working in conjunctions with 808 Crafts. So we're inviting people to come on down and check us out.
Nice, and that's going to be this weekend on Saturday.
This weekend on Saturday.
Okay, now talk to me a little bit about the school for a moment, just to give everybody an idea, because we're looking at the kids hard at work over there. Let's talk a little bit about the curriculum and about the everyday life at Island Pacific Academy.
So we do a lot of project-based learning, design thinking. We are a very constructivist-based program, which means that it's very child-led. And we have one of our teachers here, Dr. Devin Widmer, and she works in the secondary side, and she can definitely share a lot about what she does with our students.
Yes, you're a teacher, but you also have a daughter that's there as well.
Yes, so I'm here representing the teaching side, but also the parent side at IPA. So I've got my whole heart there, so to speak. But in terms of teaching, I teach on the secondary division side, so the middle school and the high school. I teach the high school students classes focusing on technology and design. Specifically, I teach robotics, intro to game design, and I also have been developing our really rigorous and robust computer science program that has been nationally recognized by College Board for our female representation in our AP computer science classes. We've also sent students to national competitions in Washington, D.C., so lots of great learning taking place.
Very cool. I know, Quinn, you were telling me how much you love your school. What grade are you in?
Third grade.
Third grade, so that means you're about 8 years old, is that right? Okay, so tell me, what do you love the most about your school, IPA?
I like my teachers, the students, and the Navigator Center.
The Navigator Center? That sounds like fun. Tell me what happens at the Navigator Center.
There's toys and Legos and art supplies, stuff like that.
Oh, I totally get it. I would be all over that Navigation Center if I was there. That sounds so fun. You're learning at the same time as having fun. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, and when you get into the center, there's no phones. It's just all about learning. And I think most kids at the school love being in there, and it's been fun for them.
Yeah, it's a tech-free environment when they go to the Navigator Center and the elementary side. Yeah, so we're a values-based school. That's what we're known for. And so we start off with two values: the power of human kindness and generosity of spirit. And we really try hard to stay rooted in our values. And she's nodding her head because I think as a parent, we know that's very important when we're raising our children, because all children, I tell families this, any child can be smart, but are we turning out good human beings that are contributing to the world? I think as parents, that's what we're most invested in our child's education.
Absolutely. Yeah. And that's why it's important for families to go and visit you folks this weekend on Saturday at the open house. You will also be doing the Island Craft Fair over there as well. Talk to me about the details of that.
So we're partnering with 808 Crafts. We're going to have over 40 craft vendors there, which you can come and visit. We have food booths, and we'll have crafters as well. And I just found out that Casey Waffle Dogs will be there, so that'll be a big seller.
Sign me up.
Yes, and you can go on our website, which is islandpacificacademy.org, and find out more information. You can also register to come to our open house, but you can walk in as well. If you can't make it this weekend, we have any opportunity to come sign up, come join us for a visit on campus. You can sign up on our website for a tour. We also have rolling admissions, and if you come this weekend and you submit an application by October 11th, we will waive your application fee.
Whoa, did you hear that? They're going to waive that application fee. If you go over there, check them out this Saturday, and that's going to be amazing for all those incoming students or those potential ones who are thinking about Island Pacific Academy. Thank you, ladies, so much for joining me today. And have fun at school. I'm so glad you love your school.
I love my school.
I love it. I love to hear that. So go ahead and check them out. We're going to have all the details on HiNowDaily.com. Mahalo. And we're going to go to break. We'll be right back.